In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink your TikTok Shop account. If you've been exploring TikTok Shop and have decided that it's time to disconnect your account, whether for privacy reasons, a shift in business strategy, or simply because you no longer need it, this guide is for you. We'll walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth and hassle-free experience. So, let's dive in. First, we'll start by opening the TikTok app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged into the account that's linked to your TikTok Shop. Once you're inside the app's main screen, locate the profile icon, usually found in the bottom right corner, and tap on it. This action will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings and preferences. Next, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner of your profile page. Tapping this will open a menu with several options related to your account settings. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is the hub for managing your account, giving you control over privacy, notifications, and connected services. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you find the Manage Account option. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can manage various aspects of your TikTok account, including connections to other services like TikTok Shop. Within Manage Account, you'll see several options, including an option for linked accounts or something similar. Tap on this to access the section where you can manage your account linkages. Here, you'll see a list of accounts and services currently connected to your TikTok account. Locate the TikTok Shop account you want to unlink. Once you find it, there should be an option to unlink or disconnect. Tap on this option to proceed. TikTok may prompt you to confirm your decision by asking if you're sure you want to unlink this account. This step adds a layer of security, ensuring that you don't accidentally disconnect an account. Confirm your choice by tapping Yes or Confirm. After confirming, TikTok will process your request to unlink the account. This may take a few moments, and you might receive a confirmation message indicating that the unlinking process has been successful. Congratulations! You've now successfully unlinked your TikTok Shop account. If you ever need to reconnect it or link a different account in the future, you can easily do so by revisiting the Linked Accounts section in your settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Have a fantastic day, and I'll catch you in the next video.